How to turn on or off battery saver in Life360. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on apps and notifications in here. After you click on apps and notifications, click on Life360. After you click on Life360, click on advanced in here. You'll find battery. Click on battery in here. Then click on optimize. After you do this, when you open Life360, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Turn off background restriction for Life360 to work correctly. For now, battery saver is turned on. What you can do is open Life360 and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Turn off background restriction. In here you can go to settings, go to advanced, click on battery, and then click on don't optimize. After you do this, battery saver will be turned off. And this is how to turn on or off battery saver in Life360. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.